Hello again, this is Delta Climber coming to you from Delta Climber Studios, Roblox, and SwordBurst 2. I'm here at the 2023 Halloween event at the Wendigo Meat Grinder, and it is close to being at the end. We barely can kill the Wendigo fast enough before he incinerates us. Sometimes you actually get to see his nuke blast. He will hit. That's him hitting us 8 times, and then he will blast us. But the blast comes after he dies, fortunately. We've gotten a lot of legendary drops here, and hate that it's almost over. Just want you guys to know, come on down if you're interested in free legendaries, the Wendigo drops. All you gotta do is look for my little character. It's called Delta Rat Killer. Delta Rat Killer character is this little guy. We started here at a level 85. He's now a 91. And this character, that was pretty close. This character started at like an 87. Now it's a 93. One or two more people leave and it's over. Maybe just one more leave. As soon as the next one comes, I'll show you some of the things I've gotten with this character. Here he comes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's going to be close. 8. And then boom, there was the nuke. Happened after he died. That was close. Wow. Well, I don't want to mess it up, so I'm going to show y'all real quick. Looks like I've gotten 1, 2, 3 legendary drops with this little character. This character is only a level 93. This character has only been down here about half the length of time as Delta Rat Killer's been down here. Started off at around 87, now 93. Other character started off at an 85 and is now a 91. But as you can see, we are close to the end. All right, this is Delta Climber coming to you from Delta Climber Studios. Here's the boss one more time. We'll wrap it up on this boss. I've been pushing the characters up in a neat little bunch so that we can, guess what? You saw on video the end of a meat grinder. Oh my goodness. Somebody must have left. Yeah, there's somebody right there that moving around a little bit, but golly, you're right here on Delta Climber Studios. And it wasn't my two. There's Delta Rat Killer, and here's this little guy. Somebody else apparently left, but you got to see here. I knew we were cutting it close. The death of a Wendigo meat grinder. Well, I need to move these characters out of the field and find a good place for them to grind for the night. And here are the items that my little Delta Rat Killer character got during this time. He'd been there a lot long. Oh, look, 2 spears. Got 2 spears. Now these pumpkins, I wanted to show you about these pumpkins because the store, they had an update and this store is now working. If you want a hanging pumpkin or a, really? monster, go away. Or if you want the hip. Thank you. That character's name is Transfigure. Thank you, Transfigure. Thank you. Oh, there's somebody else too. Bell Sprout. But anyway, if you want a pumpkin that lights up, like these I have on, well, the hip pumpkin doesn't light up, but the pumpkin that's hanging from the pole does. The hanging pumpkin does. That's right. Delta Rat Killer. I was here a lot longer than the other character and already up to a 91. All right. Have fun playing the game. Play it straight, but don't hack. Until next time, arrivederci.
This has been a Delta Climber Studio production.